Welcome back, everyone. I'm Shortcut Sherry, and it's another Tip Tuesday. This Tuesday, we're going to dip our toe into Copilot. I haven't talked about Copilot much, and now it's free to everyone. With the new Copilot Chat, regardless of whether you have a license for Copilot or not, you can use Copilot for the web to answer your questions. I am on the copilot.microsoft.com website, and notice in the right-hand corner, it says sign in. It doesn't even know I have an account for anything, but I can ask it questions. Super Bowl Sunday is coming up, and I'm going to a party. Maybe I want to make a really amazing appetizer to take. Maybe Copilot can help me. Let's ask it for help. In the Message Copilot box, let's click the plus button to start a new chat, and then type in your question. Here's the difference between web search and Copilot. Web search is based on your search engine optimization and how quickly the search results come up on the page. When you search in Copilot, it actually adds context. It's actually going out and looking for maybe the most requested or more searched for recipes for Super Bowl parties and giving us the results for that. It looks like my choices are slow-cooked buffalo wings, pulled pork, cheesy dips, grape jelly meatballs, or crock-pot macaroni and cheese. Do any of these sound like a winner for my Super Bowl party? Those grape jelly meatballs are one of my favorites. This week, I'm inviting you to go out and check out Copilot and see if you can find a use for it in your personal life. We're going to follow up in the next few weeks with some Copilot for work as well, but I wanted you to start getting used to Copilot and how it works. That's my tip for this week. I'll see you next week for another great tip. In the meantime, check out these great events that we have coming up. And until next time, I'm Shortcut Sherry, and it's my job to make your job easier.